Hi-ho everybody, and welcome to today's adventure. For today we'll be trying Disney's 100th Anniversary Celebration Happy Meal, looking at some of the toys, and looking at some of their special interactive features. Let me know in the comments if you tried this meal and which toys you got. Now let's get started on today's tasty adventure. So I moseyed on over to my first McDonald's, where they had a very nice, beautiful poster of the Disney Anniversary Happy Meal on the window. Mickey and everybody is there. Inside they had a little display case showing all the figures that you could get. I decided to order from here, but they didn't actually have the Happy Meal 100th Anniversary box, so I just got the toy from here and I went to another McDonald's. So let's look at my toys. So here is my first box of toys. Let's get it open. It's hermetically sealed, I guess. And let's see what's inside of here. Now, what I didn't know is you actually get two toys in here. So I got the lead character from Encanto. Now I can't remember what her name is, so if you know her name, please comment below. And Mike Wazowski from Monsters Incorporated. Now there's something you can do with these with your cell phones. If you go to happymeal.com, you can play some games with these. So please stay tuned to the end and I'll show you how that works. Now let's move on to our next McDonald's. So here is the next McDonald's, which I didn't get to till night. I logged in and they had everything for the Happy Meals. Let me get the chicky nuggies, some ranch dressing, and the Disney 100th Anniversary Celebration box. How about some iced tea? And the total is $5.19. So let me go get my order. So here is my stunning Disney 100th Anniversary Celebration box with food. And you can see on the side there are directions for how to play a special interactive game with your toy and a smiley face. So let's look inside and see what I got. So inside, we have some apple slices branded for Disney, a baby French fry, and get a 4-piece chicken nuggies, and another Disney 100 collectible toy box with all the characters on the sides, and a nice smiley face, and some ranch dressing. Now let's taste this food and play with my toys and see what I got. So here are my chicky nuggies and ranch. These were delicious. They were salty, chickeny, hot and crispy, and tender on the inside. I absolutely loved them. I'm going to give these 9 stars out of 10. Now let's try the French fries. So here is my baby Frenchy fries. Delicious. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, decently salty. I like that this is a little baby version. It's so tiny, it's so cute. I'm gonna give this 9 stars out of 10. Now let's try the apples. So here are the Disney branded 100th Anniversary apples. These were delicious, refreshing, cold, juicy, and sweet. I really like this as a dessert, plus it's healthy. I'm gonna give this 9 stars out of 10. Now let's see what toys I got, plus I'm gonna show you the interactive features. So here is this batch of special toys that are hermetically sealed. And I got what is in there. Get that paper up. Oh. I got Goofy and the Incredibles mom. If you know where her name is, comment below. I would have wished to get more popular characters like Mickey Mouse and Buzz Lightyear, but I guess I'll have to go back. Now let's look at the side of the box, or we're to see what happens when you play with these at happymeals.com. So on the side where it says Birthing with Celebration, you can see that if you put your toy on a tablet or a phone, it lights up and you can have more fun if you go to happymeal.com. So let's see what this magic is all about. So I went to happymeal.com and you can see there's this Let's Play section. Oh, I like the magical music. I like that this is an interactive toy. You can interact with it, not just a regular toy. Sometimes the kids get bored quickly if it's just a plastic toy. Let's play. Put your phone or tablet down, and then you put your character at the very top. Now you can choose between 3 worlds and 3 games. Now let's start with the Marvel game first. And you do a test. You do a test first, but you shoot little balls and things into that zone. And when they get into the zone, you tap the button to make them explode and you get points. Oh, look at me, I'm winning. I'm winning! Whee! Winner! I like the music in this. The music is really fun. Winner! Look at me! Now you can choose between different worlds at the bottom, so I'm going to change to a different world and see if the game is different. Let's choose the Disney game. So magical. And so this game is a little bit different. So this game has little fire rockets you have to explode in the zone. This is a lot of fun for anybody of any age. Children can play it, adults can play it. Plus you can use your toy for something more than just, sitting around. Oh, me. Winner. Winner, winner. Did I win? Yay! 7 out of 7. This is a really fun and neat Happy Meal. I really enjoyed opening and playing these games. It was interactive and a little bit different than the other Happy Meals that I've had. If you like this content, I have other content you can watch dealing with food and travel and Disney, so please check this out in my playlist. Please hit that like and subscribe button and comment below as to whether you've played these games, bought the Happy Meal, and which character you got. Thanks for watching and have a happy holiday. Bye bye!